Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning. Magandang umaga, guys. Hello, Philippines. Hello, UAE, and hello, world. Welcome to the iTerracare family and Oxitop by iTerracare family. Again, this is Kuya Vincent Miron Viñas. I'm a licensed physical therapist working here in UAE. Again, I'm presenting to you our Oxitop. It's the one machine, 3 shots with endless health possibilities. It's the world's first oxygen supplement infuser. So we'll try again to prepare our Oxitop machine. So we'll try to make oxygen water directly at my tabletop. So napakaganda po na meron po tayong Oxitop device because we are actually producing unlimited oxygen water. And good thing, right now we have purchased our own dissolved oxygen meter. Yan, ang dissolved oxygen meter natin, recently acquired, thanks to TradeLink. So, again, as we all know, that our Oxitop produces oxygen water with highly dissolved oxygen contents. And today, we will be doing an actual demo of the amount of oxygen water in every water that is available here in UAE. So we have here all the waters that we purchased in the market. So we have the Masafi water. So we'll check how much the dissolved oxygen content in the Masafi, 0. So there's no sodium. Masafi. Next is Arwa, the ever famous Arwa here in Abu Dhabi, UAE. How much the dissolved oxygen, as well as in the Al Ain water. And this is actually the official water from this company. So we have also another brand, Lasix, La Lasix. So it's a pink one. So we'll check how much dissolved oxygen in this water. So again, my water, My Dubai, the ever famous My Dubai, and lastly the Oxitop water. Today we will be comparing how much is the dissolved oxygen for every bottled waters available here in UAE. Again, I will be making a separate video on these 3 most expensive waters available in the market: the Volvic, the Evian, and the Fiji. So I'll be making a separate video on that one. And today we will be just trying to measure the amount of dissolved oxygen in our Oxitop machine, as well as the different brands of water available in the market: Masafi, Arwa, Al Ain, Larix, and My Dubai, plus the Oxitop water. So this is an actual demo. As we all know, most of the diseases nowadays, health problems, 60% of the health problems and diseases and sicknesses are linked to hypoxia, or lack of oxygen in the tissues. With no oxygen, the mitochondria cannot produce enough energy. Yes, we all know oxygen is important in body cells in preventing tissue hypoxia. So cells need high energy, high ATP for many functions, like repair of cells after injury, keeping the cells alive, fights infection, and carry out normal cell function. That's why it's very, very important you'll be drinking fresh water, guys, not just ordinary water. The freshness of the water depends upon the amount of dissolved oxygen content it has. In order for you to measure the amount of dissolved oxygen, we need this device, the dissolved oxygen meter. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how much is the content of dissolved oxygen in every water that is available here in United Arab Emirates. So we'll try to first measure Masafi. So Masafi, we'll just try to pour Masafi. This is the Masafi water. Then we'll try to measure it. How much is the dissolved oxygen? Next is the ARWA. Just try to pour with the same amount. That's ARWA. Next is the alane water. This is the alane water. And Laraix water. These are the brands that are available, guys, in the market here in Abu Dhabi, UAE. We have the My Dubai, My Dubai water. This is my brand. I often have a lot of My Dubai water. Then we will see how much is the dissolved oxygen meter. Again, guys, the freshness of the water depends upon the amount of dissolved oxygen in it. So then OxyTop. So feed one shot. We will just use our OxyTop machine. We'll try to create one press. This is the OxyTop water, guys. So I just did one press. So right now we will try to measure the amount of oxygen. We will be using this dissolved oxygen meter here in, what is this brand? Masafi water. So we'll just try to measure how much is the dissolved oxygen. This is the OxyTop, guys, so we'll try to measure the amount of oxygen in it. So it's 7.6, 7.4. This is the Masafi, guys, Masafi water. The amount of oxygen is 7.1, 7.4, 7.3, 7.1. Okay, guys, that's 7.1 for the Masafi. This is the Masafi. We'll just try to write the amount of dissolved oxygen. That is 7.1, guys. I'll just try to write 7.1 parts per million, ppm, parts per million in the Masafi. That's Masafi 0, 7.1 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Next, we will try to measure ARWA. This is ARWA water. So how much is ARWA water? Again, we will be measuring again using our dissolved oxygen meter tester. So using this device, see, it's gonna just soak it. ARWA is 7.9, 7.5. That's ARWA. ARWA 7.6 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. 7.9. That's 7.9, guys. Or 7.6. That's the average. Oops, getting lower. 7.5 parts per million. Ayan. So that's the ARWA brand. Oops, 7.3 now. 7.2. It's 7. So it's dropping actually, guys. So 7 until it's stabilized. 6.9, 6.7. So again, this is the ARWA. 6.6, 6.7. Okay, guys, 6. So ARWA is 6.7. ARWA is 6.7. parts per million. Okay guys, now we will be using Al-Ain water. I put this back here, the Al-Ain. How much is Al-Ain water? It's the Seha water, Al-Ain. So how much is that one? We'll try to measure again. You just put it down. So again, that's around 8.1, 8. So Seha water is around 8.1 parts per million. Starts reading now guys. So 7.6, 7.7, 7.9. That's Al-Ain water. So 7.9 parts per million. 7.5, 7.2, that's 7.2 parts per million guys. 6.8, 6.5, 6.2, it's dropping. 6.1. So it's continuously reading how much parts per million of oxygen available in Al-Ain water. 6.2, 5.9, 5.7, 6.1, 6.4, 6.6. So that's the average guys, parts per million of oxygen in every water that we have. Right now we are testing the Al-Ain water. Parts per million is very low now, 5.6. See? The amount of oxygen that is present in this water is 5.2 right now. 5.2 guys. So again, we will try to write parts per million for Al-Ain is 5.2 parts per million. Now we will do a test on Laryx, the pink water. So how much is the dissolved oxygen in this water? So we'll do the same test. This is Laryx guys. We'll wait for a few seconds until it properly reads the amount of dissolved oxygen present in the water. 7.4, 7.3. We will do it here. Laryx. This is Laryx guys. See, this is the Laryx water. 7.8. This is the amount of dissolved oxygen that is present in the water. So oxygen is very, very important guys. So there are normal breathing, you can take in oxygen provided you have really good healthy lungs. But due to COVID, remember a lot of people has been fighting about having their own oxygen tanks because their lungs have been compromised. So proper breathing is not possible already. So that's why another solution to increase oxygen is using the hyperbaric chamber. Justin Bieber, LeBron James are using those machines. That's too expensive and too bulky. And we also have the oxygen concentrator. So those who are using oxygen machine at home, oxygen concentrator. But again, once the lungs is compromised, you won't be able to breathe in enough oxygen. Good thing there is now the OxyTop machine. So OxyTop, oxygen water is readily available at home at your tabletop. 7.2 guys, The parts per million for layer 6 is 7.5. 7.8. Yeah, this is the parts per million for dissolved oxygen in Laraix water. 7.4. Yay. That's good. 7.4 here in Laraix water. We'll try to write how much is the dissolved oxygen. Again, guys, we are testing all the waters available in the market here in UAE. We have already the Masafi, Arwa, Al Ain, Laraix. Now, it's 7.4, the parts per million of dissolved oxygen content in our water. Now, we will be testing the My Dubai. This is my water actually. I used to have a lot of My Dubai water. The most famous brand here in UAE, My Dubai. And we will be testing again using the dissolved oxygen meter. So, we'll see. I'm gonna get it. I'll just put it near the dissolved oxygen meter. And we will just test how much dissolved oxygen meter available in My Dubai water. Gradually, it will start to read. It's now reading 7.1 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Guys, again, no, the freshness of water depends upon the volume of dissolved oxygen available in the water itself. So that's why in mineral waters, you can find in the springs, spring waters, glaciers waters, these are really natural fresh water because the dissolved oxygen is very, very high. So right now with My Dubai water, My Dubai, this 6.8 parts per million of dissolved oxygen that is available. So dissolved oxygen is 6.8 parts per million. Now it's, we'll see, it's still reading 7.2, 6.9, 6.6. So this is the amount of oxygen that is available in every water, 6.6. Okay, this is the My Dubai water. Oh, I have the lowest one, 6.6 parts per million. My Dubai is the lowest parts per million. So, again, we have taken the water content, the oxygen content in Masafi. This is the Masafi water, 0. It has 7.1 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Here in Arwa water, it has 6.7 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. In Al Ain, Seha water, Al Ain, it has 5.2. It seems it has the lowest amount of dissolved oxygen available. That's the Al Ain water. Laraix, so far this is the highest. Laraix has 7.4 parts per million of dissolved oxygen, guys. My Dubai is the second lowest for my water is My Dubai. So that's 6.6 parts per million only of dissolved oxygen. So again, now we will be using, this is actually the same. This is My Dubai water. This is my water. You can see I have a lot of My Dubai waters here. These are all My Dubai. And we will try to put in the oxytop. We will try to use the oxytop machine. Use it for 3 minutes. First press. See the amount, how it flushes oxygen in the water. This is by the oxytop, guys. It's the world's first oxygen supplement infuser, guys. So if you know someone who has problem with oxygen, taking enough oxygen in the body, guys, no need for you to buy a hyperbaric chamber nor a oxygen concentrator. We have the OxyTop device. We will be having unlimited source of oxygen water. So we are actually measuring the amount of oxygen in different water right now. This is the first press of OxyTop water. So we will try to measure how much is the oxygen water for this My Dubai water. This is my water, My Dubai. So I make it, I charge it with using my OxyTop device, and we will be measuring the dissolved oxygen content using my dissolved oxygen meter. Later, guys, we will be testing also. I'll create another video to test the oxygen content of these three most expensive water in the market: Volvic, Evian, and the Fiji. But right now, we are testing the dissolved oxygen concentration of each water that is available in UAE. Masafi is 7.1, Arwa is 6.7, Al Ain is 5.2, Laraix is 7.4, 6.6 is My Dubai, and we will see the OxyTop. OxyTop water, we will try to measure how much is the dissolved oxygen in our OxyTop water. Guys, this is the best gift to our parents. You know, oxygen is life. A person can live without food for 3 weeks. A person can live without water for 3 days. But a person can only live 3 minutes without oxygen. More than 3 minutes, a person can die. That's how important oxygen is. Oxygen is the first and the last element that is given to a patient once he enters the hospital, and even before he dies. They are giving oxygen to every patient. That's why right now what we have is unlimited source of oxygen water at your tabletop. Right now we have measured all the amount of oxygen in different brands of water available here in Abu Dhabi, UAE, Dubai. So again, we will be measuring the amount of oxygen, dissolved oxygen, in our OxyTop device using the dissolved oxygen meter. So one press is good for 3 minutes. So it's good to refresh yourself. Right now it's just the one press. I'm gonna take my oxygen water. I'm gonna pour it in one of the glass. Right now we will be measuring how much is the dissolved oxygen in our OxyTop water. Again, guys, this is our OxyTop water. I'll just gonna get it, directly put it here. We're gonna measure, guys. Take a look. How much is the dissolved oxygen concentration in our device? Whoa! Wow! 21, 23, 25, guys! 25, 26, 27, 28. Wow, 29, guys. 29 parts per million, 29.8 parts per million. Woo! 30 parts per million, guys. 30 parts per million. Ayan, 31.1. Grabe. 31.9 parts per million of this to 32.5. 33. Guys. Wow. Can you imagine, guys? Right. 33, 2.9. This is 300 percent times higher than our leading brands of oxygen, of water in the market. Our OxyTop has 31 parts per million, 31.4 parts per million, guys. Woo! Grabe, grabe. Ayan, oh, you can see it for yourself. It's 30 parts per million of dissolved oxygen, guys. Wow! Amazing. 30 parts per million. I'm just gonna write it, guys. I'm really so excited having your own OxyTop machine. 31.4 parts per million. Wow, 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 wow. So amazing, guys. So amazing. So, if you can see, we have tested the amount of oxygen in each water that is available here in UAE. These are the waters that are available here in UAE. Okay. The first one, we have tested Masafi. Masafi is 7.1 parts per million of oxygen. Arwa is 6.7 parts per million of oxygen, dissolved oxygen. Al Ain is, this is the Seha water. It's the lowest, 5.2 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Laraix, it has the highest so far. It's 7.4 parts per million. My Dubai is 6.6 parts per million. And God, wow! Oxytap has 30.4 parts per million. It's more 400 times higher than any of the leading brands in the market, guys. Sabi ko sa inyo, Oxytap defines the freshness of the water. Guys, can you imagine you're drinking oxygen? Oxygen at your tabletop using our Oxytap machine, guys. Grabe. This is the best, really gift. The best gift to our parents, oxygen water. Oxygen is life. As I've told you, 3 minutes without oxygen, you die. The oxygen is the first and last element that is given to any patient that enters the hospital. Okay? Mamamatay ka na lang. You're gonna die already, but they are still putting oxygen in you. Remember during Corona? During the 3 years of Corona, everybody is fighting for oxygen tanks because oxygen is life. But having your own Oxytap device at home, you have unlimited source of water. You have unlimited source of oxygen water, guys. That's how crucial health is right now. Whew, really so excited having my own Oxytap device at home, guys. I'll be creating a separate video on the 3 most expensive waters available in the market. The Volvic mineral water, the Evian mineral water, and the Fiji mineral water. What we have done right now are the basic cheaper brands available in UAE right now. Masafi 7.1, Arwa 6.7. The lowest is Al Ain water, 5.2 parts per million. Laraix is 7.4. My Dubai is 6.6. But I used the same water, My Dubai, after I put My Dubai in Oxytap, guys. From 6.6 parts per million, it became 3.4 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Wow, so amazing. Sana all, My Dubai. This is my brand, My Dubai. Sana all. Beke naman. So, I'm converting a 6.6 parts per million of dissolved oxygen to 30.4 parts per million using my Oxytap machine. So, guys, for anyone who who has problem with oxygenation, with having low SpO2, your SpO2 is really decreasing. Remember, during Corona, most of us, or if not all of us, bought their own SpO2 machines. This device is the best. You should have one, guys. You should have one Oxytap device at home. So we have done a live actual demo test. This is live. It's not edited. This is live actual demo. So you have seen through your eyes. It's a live demo of how much dissolved oxygen that is available. And we have used a dissolved oxygen meter to test how fresh the water that we are drinking. Really, really, really. This is live, not edited, and documentation speaks for itself. Documentation speaks for itself, guys. So really, if you have any other questions, you can just PM me, Kuya Vincent Moreno Viñas. I'm a licensed physical therapist working here in Abu Dhabi. And I am a global distributor of this Oxytop device. You just PM me, call me, 971-050-360-7701. That's my personal number. So again, Oxygen is life. We have an oxygen supplement. We are bringing right now the factory of oxygen at your tabletop. You can convert every water that you have at home, whichever water that you have right now. Just put it directly into the device. 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shots. So it removes the hydrogen content from the H2O. Whatever is left is the oxygen itself. For your drinking high dissolved oxygen in your body, guys. You're drinking, you're rehydrating your cells with enough oxygen. Oxygen is life. Wow. Nothing beats documentation, guys. This is actual test live. Masafi 7.1, Arwa 6.7, Al-Ain the lowest 5.2, Laraix is the highest 7.4, My Dubai is 6.6. But I used the same water, My Dubai, then I used the Oxytop. It became 3.4 parts per million. Wow, this is Oxytop. This is my Oxytop, guys. 3 shots, endless health possibilities with just one machine. The world's first oxygen supplement infuser. So we have now a solution to break the gap of oxygen pandemic. The Oxytop. Again, it increases, according to science and studies, it increases oxygen levels in the blood. Yung Oxytop natin, yung oxygenated natin, 10 times absorbed in the cells compared to simple respiration. And it is 6 times higher oxygen absorption in the liver compared to just simple inhalation and expiration, guys. Kaya you should have one Oxytop device at home. Every house should have one. Every office should have one. Every hospital, wards, orthopedic, cardiothoracic, intensive care unit, every ward should have their own Oxytop device. Okay, guys, I know we have oxygen tanks. Oxygen tanks really saves lives. So do the Oxytop machine, because people are drinking oxygen. And for sports, guys, this is the best device for sports teams, sports people, athletes. Why? Because every time you perform your sports, immediately you get tired. You are experiencing dyspnea, shortness of breath, lactic acid is built up. But with use of oxygen, having enough oxygen, drinking Oxytop oxygenated water, you will lessen your lactic acid. You will increase your sports performance, guys, because oxygen runs within your blood vessels, within your cells are full of oxygen because of this Oxytop oxygenated water. Kaya sa mga sports, guys, yan, sports teams, you should have one Oxytop at home. This is an actual demonstration that we had. That's again oxygenated water. See, I'll just drink this one. I'll run another test on how much oxygen concentration is available. Guys, this is an actual demo again. This is Oxytop. We just oxygenated. First press. We'll see how much. Oh, wow, guys. This is an actual demo, guys. This is live, unedited. The amount of dissolved oxygen in our water. Wow, wow. Wow, really, guys. See? It's really high. 30.8. 31 point. Wow. Really. Compared to the dissolved oxygen in Masafi, 7.1. Arwa, 6.7. Al-Ain, 5.2, which is the lowest. This is the lowest. Laraix is a little higher, 7.4. My Dubai, 6.6. Using the same water, My Dubai, It's 30.4. It's even reached 31, guys. Oh, wow. Wow, see? My oxygen meters almost breaking. Oh, 32.2. Wow, 32.3. Wow, guys. This is actual live demo, unedited. I'm really so excited because this is the best investment I gave to myself. Oxygen water, Oxytop. It's for my health. I'm gonna give my family free Oxytop. I'm gonna send Oxytop in the Philippines. Again, the price of this Oxytop device is $4,900 US. The cost in Philippine peso is 179,300 pesos. So it's almost 279,300 pesos. It's almost 280,000 pesos, guys. 4,900 US dollars. So it's very, very cheap. The price of this one, the benefits of Oxytop far outweigh the price. Kasi health is an investment. Health is an investment. You are now drinking oxygen compared to these leading brands in the market. These are the leading brands. I know you know all these brands, guys. So that's why I'm really so excited to share to you guys that we have now a solution to hypoxia. Any patients, any friends, family members who are suffering from hypoxia, lack of oxygen in our tissues, we have now a solution. The Oxytop device. Again, I am an international distributor of Oxytop. I can deliver it for you for free. Just contact me, PM me, and give yourself a gift. Health is an investment. So, really, I'm so excited. That's why I am sharing to you this, guys. This is an actual demo. This is really, more than just, health. Oxygen. Kailangan talaga natin yan. Promise. You really need oxygen in our body. Without oxygen, you die. 3 minutes without oxygen, you die. If you don't believe me, try it. Hold your nose. Don't breathe for 3 minutes. If you will not die, I will give you free Oxytop. Try it. Experiment it. Oxygen is life. But no need, because really we have now a solution to hypoxia. And through Oxytop, we know that we are drinking natural fresh water with high dissolved oxygen. Again, oxygenated is the most effective and fastest and safest way to feed your body with oxygen. So it's proven, it's scientifically proven, supported by experiments and scientifically proven, dissolved oxygen in water is beneficial to our health. It increases 10 times. Oxygen is 10 times absorbed in the cells compared to simple respiration, and 6 times absorbed in the liver compared to simple respiration. So again, guys, this is my device, my Oxytop. For those who are interested, and if you know someone who is in need of, my device, who wants to give their family, remember, one device, your mama, your papa, your grandmama, your grandpapa, your children, even your pets can drink Oxytop water. Okay, guys, one device for every home. I hope that every wards in different hospitals will get one. So again, I'm an international distributor of the Oxytop machine, and I'm just showing you a live demo of how much oxygen, dissolved oxygen, available in our water. Guys, wow, see this, it's error ready. 33. This is Oxytop, even 34, guys. 33, 34. Wow. So thanks for watching, and see you on my next vlog. God bless. Oxytop.